Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day today. We are here at St. Jude, just kind of, out here in the courtyard, walking around, getting our scanxiety, worked out. This is going to be a really big week, so I wanted to give you guys an update. I'm going to keep you updated because this week really dictates whether or not we get to go home with Rylee as early as like next weekend. Hopefully, but it probably be pushed, a few more days. But anyways, so the news right now is this week we've had a lot of scans. Every single day we've had some important appointments. The other day, was it Tuesday that we had the CT and the MRI?
It was Wednesday, and then Thursday we did an echo, and then today we have a PET scan, bone marrow, and a hearing test. These are all considered full disease evaluation, so we have to see where we're at, before we can move forward.
Yeah, so the echo turned out good. We had a meeting with our doctor, Dr. Federico, and those the MRI and the CT from Wednesday turned out good. They're clear, which is great. I think that we both kind of expected that those would turn out all right.
Yeah,
because the CT and the MRI doesn't show the whole picture. Obviously, the biopsy of her bone marrow and the PET scan, those are all going to really paint the picture on whether or not we're going to be able to go home. So we're hoping for 0 metastatic cancer left.
Yeah.
Of course, we had the surgery.
So pretty much we knew the CT and MRI would be kind of clear because we've already kind of really dealt with the tumor itself, the initial tumor, and these other 2 that we're getting today play a big part in showing the metastasized cancer and whether or not that's gone from her bones and any other places that it had spread before we caught it. So those are huge.
Yeah, and the bone marrow is the one we're most anxious about to hear, what that has to say, because the last time we had the bone marrow biopsy, we've had it 2 times before now. The first time she had like 25% in one side, which is a lot. And then it was what? A
little less than 5%.
Yeah.
In the other side.
Yeah.
They take 1 from each hip.
Yeah. And then the second time, the side that had 25%, the first biopsy
inconclusive.
Yeah, it was inconclusive. They didn't have enough to be able to test it. So we're anxiously awaiting that one. That one's the one that we're like, hopefully if that's clear, then we can kind of breathe a sigh of relief and feel confident about going home. But yeah, so we'll see it. Regardless of what happens, we're okay with, staying or going, but obviously we would love to be able to go home with Rylee, so and so we can kind of be reunited with our dog Doppler, our little boy. But yeah, Rylee is under right now, and she's doing great. We just got a call saying that her PET scan had wrapped up, and so now they're going in for the biopsy. Man, these kids, get put under so many times in this process. I mean, it's probably a dozen times now.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, at least. So, but anyways, guys, that's kind of the update right now. We've got, while Rylee's asleep, unfortunately, she's going to miss the Lainey Wilson concert that we've got here at St. Jude.
Surprise pop-up concert, which is really awesome.
That's coming up, yeah. So Lainey Wilson's going to do a little private concert for everybody at St. Jude, which is amazing. So props to her. But I'm going to try to do as many updates as we can throughout this week and just keep you guys posted. I know that the updates haven't been very consistent, but there really hasn't been any new news. But this week, lots of new things, lots of news from Rylee's journey going to be coming out, and so I'm going to keep you guys posted as we learn those things. So
yeah.
everybody, your prayers and positive thoughts and good vibes, all those things are really appreciated. Keep them up. We might be here at the home stretch, so thank you guys for all the support. All right,
Bye.
that's it. Make sure you trust the process. I'm gonna see you guys.